kind of a weird position. Hi. Okay. Hey guys, my name is Michael Kubert, and Bitcoin Cash is rallying up towards $9,500. It is absolutely just you get kind of used to this at this point. Hi, Ken. Ooh, Ken's the first person in here. What's up? Let's check out your channel. Before we get started, I just want to congratulate you, most likely on, oh, I wanted to say 5,000 subscribers, but you're at 7,000 subscribers, and why am I not subscribed to you? Boom. I thought I subscribed to you, but you got your channel removed, and then you got it back. Anyways, good luck. I am happy that Data Dash hit 150,000. He is live streaming right now. I'm happy that Ian Bellina hit 30,000 plus subscribers. Cryptocurrency is growing. Here's the thing. There is no competition, only the opposition in cryptocurrencies. And that is the perfect topic for today with Bitcoin Cash at $9,500. There's currently technically arbitrage. Because on GDAX, Bitcoin Cash is trading for $9,500, while everything else is at $3,000 or like $3,500. It's a little bit weird, and I'm hearing myself over there. Can you turn down the volume, please, a little bit? Fraud, help, please, just a little bit. All the way to the moon. No, seriously. So with the YouTube channels, with the exchanges, with all the cryptocurrencies, there's a lot of people who choose one side. They're like, oh, okay, I chose Bitcoin, I chose Ethereum, I chose Bitcoin Cash. Like, volume's good, thanks. And everything is going up at this point. Like, if it's not, it most likely will go up. And if it has been going up for the past couple of days, it has gone down. I was against Bitcoin Cash, and I'm still not the greatest fan of it. And that's me pretty much selling my Bitcoin Cash because I logged into Coinbase. I am banned from Coinbase. I'm banned from GDAX. I'm not able to sell it. Here's what happened. Coinbase and GDAX listed BCH today. That's it. They listed BCH. And then, you know what's weird? You go to GDAX, and it says partially degraded service. All BCH books will enter cancel-only mode, and all existing orders will be cleared. While in cancel-only mode, no new orders will be accepted. We will post an update shortly. So, we all love GDAX. We all love Coinbase. As soon as you go onto the website, you just see one giant candlestick. Just one giant candlestick. It's stuck at 9,500. It just says it's up 206.45%. There's 3,000 BCH volume. You see the trades. You see the trades for 9,000, 8,000. But it's pretty much just a bunch of sell orders. And it's just stuck at 9,500. And a lot of people are saying that there's manipulation from Coinbase's, from GDAX's side. GDAX is like, oh, we don't know what's going on. And for those of you who aren't familiar, GDAX is the better version of Coinbase, but it's still connected. Like, they're still the same company. You're able to buy Bitcoin through GDAX for a little bit better prices than on Coinbase, because Coinbase adds like the 1% to 4% fees. However, most people don't want to go to the actual exchange because it's much more complicated and it reminds them of like the stock markets. I got banned from Coinbase, and I had like $3,000 of Bitcoin on Coinbase at the time. They banned my account, and they let me take my Bitcoin and my Ethereum out. My Ethereum, it got lost. Like, I don't know where like $100 or $200 of Ethereum went. I sent it to one of my Bitrex addresses. There's no like, I can't really check. Like, I'll try and do like a super sleuth thing. It's lost, whatever. I found my BCH. Coinbase at least decided to give me my BCH. I transferred it over to Bitfinex. I'm waiting for it. Right now, I'm going to sell it. I'm not fully against BCH. I thought it was silly at first, and I still kind of do, but I realized it's silly what I'm doing. It's just stupid what a lot of us in the community have been going on about for the past couple of months, that we're fighting against each other, you know? That everybody's just like, oh, FUD, FOMO, oh, I like this is better. Listen. The main thing we have to care about here is the community and trying to improve the blockchain technology for the future. We're going to connect the block. We're going to connect the block. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So, okay, that's cool. A lot of people are saying, that the exchanges are manipulating, and that's most likely right. They're doing stuff under the table because when you're dealing with billions in dollars, you have obviously something to gain, right? They're manipulating it hard, and there's no regulation. I mean, there is a little bit, but it still is that moment that like, okay, even if later on they get sued or whatever, the SEC finds out, what's going to happen to the company? Nothing, right? They're probably going to pay some fees, probably going to blame it on something else or on some technology or, oh, the servers went down or whatever, right? And they're going to profit hundreds of millions or billions of dollars, right? Some people are saying Bitcoin will crash. That's just fudding. That's straight up fudding. Bitcoin and the altcoins have gone down tremendously right now. There's a little bit of a pullback. And by little bit, I mean everything pretty much, well, it was in the green today. Bitcoin Cash is up 53% today on CoinMarketCap. It doesn't have GDAX included, but everything else, you see GDAX, so everything else is kind of going up. Coinbase and all the major exchanges had a little bit of a problem with Bitcoin. It did fall from like 18,500 to like 17,000 to 16,000 to nearly 15,000 and a half on certain exchanges out there, especially in Southeast Asia, and now it's climbing back up. However, a lot of the money is shifting towards BCH right now because everybody's FOMOing hard, but then the exchange is shutting down. So even if there's no manipulation, even if that's happening, it's just happening too quickly, right? So I've had so many people over the past couple of days from my family, from my friends, from people from the community who have been messaging me. They want to get into Bitcoin. They want to buy Bitcoin. They want to buy Ethereum. They want to do all of that. And it's like, that's great. However, there's so much energy. There's so much excitement right now that it's just too much for a normal exchange. There's way too many. And a lot of your guys' messages aren't even going through. Let's just say a couple people are upset with Coinbase. Coinbase is sketchy as boop. Coinbase manipulated the price and purposely stuck it at 9,000 despite a true market price of 3,000. Ba-da-bum. Why the F? Mr. Cashew's a little bit upset about Ripple, which Ripple, by the way, went towards $1. It didn't hit $1 because that's like a psychological point, but it is at 77 cents right now. By the way, for anybody curious, I am selling like my 0.02 Bitcoin Cash, and I'm going to throw it into something else. Currently, I have Bitcoin, I have Ethereum, I have Litecoin, I have Cardano. I need to get some IOTA. I should have gotten it, but I know it's a little too late, and then I'll get it, whatever. I have Cardano, I have EOS. I'm very happy with EOS. It's at $12, and oh my goodness, I'm happy I got it at $5. I bought a little bit of NEO. I want to get some Tron. I'm going to get some Tron. I got a little bit of a Misa Go. I got some Steam. I got some Steam dollars. Do I have anything else? And I'm getting my IndaHash tokens most likely tomorrow because IndaHash is over within the next like 16 hours. Nobody is trading Bcash on GDAX. Yeah, I mean, it's impossible. So technically there is arbitrage where you could get it for like $3,000 and then send it over to GDAX, but that's just not going to happen. And whoa, we have like 200 viewers. I'm really happy with that. I am in Mexico for the next couple of days, and I've been here for like 3 weeks already. I've been in Canada for like a week and a half or 2. I haven't been in my house in Poland for quite a little bit, and I'm still paying rent over there. I am heading out to a Bitcoin conference in Miami, and then I'm heading out to the Bitcoin Super Conference. I'm part of a team that's sponsoring an event at the Bitcoin Super Conference. We're going to be chatting with John McAfee. I don't know if we're going to be chatting, but it's going to be dope. There will be more news on this channel pretty soon, but there's going to be a sponsored after party in Miami at the W for the company. So you might see me there. It'd be cool. There's meetup. You can get like free food, drinks, or whatever. I'm just saying. But yeah, stay tuned. There's a lot of exciting stuff. Happy holidays, by the way, if you're heading out for Christmas or New Year's Eve. It's going to get crazy. It is going to be extremely hectic right now with the holidays approaching. Overstock ICO is killing it. There's so many ICOs. There's so many new exchanges. There's so many people interested in Bitcoin. This is absolutely insane. And what I've seen on Data Dash's live stream just like 10 minutes or like an hour ago, yeah, time flies by really quickly. That alone gets me excited. Social media, I love cryptocurrencies, but I love social media even more. I love exponential growth. I love excitement. I see people, boom, $100 donation, $200 donation, $20 donation, like 3,000 comments, 3,500 people viewing, 300 people viewing. So much activity. This is insane. But I want you guys to realize one quick thing, okay? One quick thing. I'm gonna make a video about this. I love Bitcoin, I love Ethereum, I love cryptocurrencies. However, I'm not 100% like, buy. Yes, it's gonna go up forever, woo! I want you guys to realize this. All the altcoins, or at least most of the altcoins in the top 50 on CoinMarketCap have been going up for a very long time. And it is 100% normal to see some of them, like, let's go down the list. Let's go down the list, right? So change over the past 24 hours negative. Einsteinium, minus 32%. Tron, minus 20%. Dogecoin, minus 17%. Neo, minus 15%, which, by the way, I bought in the negatives, so always buy when it's a little bit. And at this point, I finally have enough money in fiat currency that I'm good. I'm good for the next year. Like, I don't care. I'm going to pay the bills. Everything's fine. I have no debts. And everything else, I'm getting paid in cryptocurrency. I told you guys, earn instead of invest. I'm getting paid in cryptocurrency. And the rest of the money I have, it's in cryptocurrency. I have like 10 cryptos so far. I'm just going to be stacking up more and more and more. Some people are saying you're buying at a high. I'll just keep buying every single month. And I'm excited for the prices to go down. I'm excited for a pullback. If you are new to cryptocurrencies and you see something like BCH or Bitcoin or Ethereum and it's going up like crazy, which, by the way, Ethereum hit like $900 on certain markets, which the $5,000 doesn't seem so crazy anymore. I am getting really excited for Ethereum to hit $5,000. But BCH might hit $10,000. Who knows? There's so much crazy things going on. However, I just want you guys to get this. Don't get too emotional, because as soon as you're like, oh my God, I want to buy, and you start freaking out, at that point you are going to lose money, because I know I do the same thing. I get really emotional, but I try and stop those emotions when they happen. But you know, we all have to work on them. We all have to work on them. What do you mean by safe? What do you mean by safe? Is Bitcoin a safe buy? Oh, he's responding to that. Is Bitcoin a safe buy? Here's what it is. If you are going to buy altcoins, you need Bitcoin or you need Ethereum or Bitcoin Cash or Litecoin. But most exchanges are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So some have Litecoin, some have BCH, some have that top exchange, because there's two levels of exchanges. There's the first exchange, which goes to everybody. You're able to purchase that. And then from there, like Coinbase, for example, you go there, there's like 3 or 4 options. I don't know, because I haven't been on it for the past like 4 months because I've been banned. Oh well. You buy it, and then you send it to a second exchange where you convert Bitcoin to Cardano, to Steam, to Dash, to Monero, to whatever it is, right? So you need Ethereum, you need Bitcoin regardless. In my opinion, I think Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the markets still have some room to grow. There might be a severe pullback, and if so, then we're in a bull market right now. You can't say, oh, it's a bear market. No, when coins have gone up like 1,000%, yeah, and it's a lot of the top coins. Ethereum and Ripple and Bitcoin have had an amazing year, and hopefully 2018 will be much better. However, just take a safe approach and only invest with money that you can afford to lose. Start holding it on, cold storage wallets, start collecting more, start earning, start, just kind of diversifying all over the place. The Crypto Fool. Wait. I want to check out your channel, The Crypto Fool, because I like it. Uploads. Okay. Crypto Fool. Interesting. It's a new channel, but I wish you the best of luck. If you're starting a YouTube channel with cryptocurrencies, go full out. Go full out, because cryptocurrencies are nice, however, they're high risk. So you need a low risk business alongside your high risk business. You can't say cryptos aren't high risk. They are when you're gaining like 1,000%. It's fantastic when you're gaining. There will be bad months though. Just like right now, my YouTube channel is earning a little bit more than usual. I know that next month it's going to be earning a lot less due to AdSense, due to advertiser rates going down. Right now, at the end of the year, there's the most amount of money because everybody wants to pay. Everybody wants to get into advertising. January, everybody's going to be like, oh, it's a new year. I don't want to spend all my money. So everything is going to go down. And I'm not saying cryptocurrencies, but there is a chance that could go down too. However, just as general rule of thumb, in business, usually there's less money spent at the very beginning of the year, unless you're in an industry that, like, I don't know, like maybe vacations for February. Yeah, because then people go, you know what I mean. Anyways, so if you are an average Joe who's just getting into this or have been interested in it for the past couple of months and you see these crazy returns, start investing, but diversify. Keep a little bit in Ethereum, keep a little bit of Bitcoin, keep a little bit of Litecoin. Maybe trade on stuff you've heard. You see a lot of reputable figures talking about it. You do your research, you like the team, you see the roadmap, you do the updates. Do at least like 1 hour of research, please. Just 1 hour of research, and as soon, like, because most people are just like, oh, okay, boom, you buy it. That's it. No research at all whatsoever. That is silly. Like, if you see BCH going up right now, you're like, buy, 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 buy. That is the stupidest thing you can do. Just wait a little bit, and you'll be much better. Anyways, so I know I'm kind of rambling on a little bit here. And a lot of the cryptocurrency guys keep repeating the same thing, and some of you guys are like, oh my God, you keep talking about it. It's because I don't want you guys to like freak out, because it's good when everybody's earning money. However, as soon as you throw in $1,000, $5,000, and you go in quickly and you see a drop, you want to cash out because you're like, uh-oh, I don't want to lose like everything. Your mind starts going illogical. You're like, I'm going to lose everything. No, you're not. You're not going to lose everything with a coin that's like got $300 billion in it. Like $300 billion isn't going to evaporate overnight. So keep a little bit of Bitcoin, keep a little bit of Ethereum. They're lower risk. Then go into like the top 20, top 30 cryptocurrencies. They're, you know, they're risky, but they're not as risky as the ICOs, as, I don't know, like the top 200 coins. And then start diversifying. And also buy a little bit of gold, buy a little bit of silver, buy a little bit of land, have a low risk business, and all of that stuff. Every single month, try and get as much research as you can. And if you're banned from Coinbase, welcome to the club. High five. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to try and call Coinbase for the first time after like a while, right? It's like I called Coinbase before, but that was before the ban. I'm going to ask and see what's up. Maybe I can get unbanned, but if not, whatever, cool. Let's kill it. Hopefully we have a fantastic rest of the year. And I don't know what's going to happen with BCH, but let's check actually, because I'm gonna end the video here. I've been chatting for a little bit. Cryptocurrencies are at $610 billion. $610 billion market cap. Absolutely insane. BCH has dropped a little bit on certain exchanges at 3,300. Let's refresh Bitfinex. Did it come in? Did it come in? And GDAX is still frozen at 9,500. It literally is still frozen. Like, let me try and see the trades or whatever. This is insane. So yeah, if you have, oh, wait, status.gdex.com just redirected me to a message. It's an error. Rate limit exceeded. For rate limit information, visit this. Okay, let's click this link. Rate limits. There. Welcome to GDAX. We throttle public endpoints when a rate limit is exceeded. A status of 4229, too many requests. There you go. Welcome to GDAX. Welcome to Coinbase. If you're a new trader, you just entered the fun part of the cryptocurrency world. And I know that to an outsider, it seems like, why would I ever want to participate in this? But then again, there are plenty of returns if you play it safe and you get past like the annoying aspects of it. Anyways, don't get too excited. Even if you make money, do your research an hour every single day, and hopefully we all make some moolah. Oh, by the way, Steam, I just cashed out $100, well, it was like an $80 post today. I got it, and I got like $1,500. I cashed out like $1,500. Well, I didn't cash it out. Like, I sent it over to Bitrex. I got Bitcoin, and I transferred that $1,500 into like Neo and Omisa Go and all that. Please say my name on your channel. Hello, Nathan Johnson. That's it. Coinbase isn't even available in my country, but I haven't heard many good things about it. Hey, at least it's not the worst exchange. At least it's not the worst exchange. Please talk about Bitcoin cap. What will happen to miners after its cap? What do you mean cap? Like the 21 million cap? The difficulty of mining Bitcoin means, oh yeah, so okay, so we're at like what, 16 million coins out of 21 million mined so far. The more coins that are mined, the higher the difficulty gets. And that means that it takes a slower time to process each Bitcoin to get it out there, right? So we won't reach the cap for the next couple of years. That's what that means. Like, it's still going to be around for a couple of years. And when it does reach the cap, so be it. There's no more mining. Like, the miners can't mine anymore. So they'll move on to the next thing. Maybe Bitcoin Cash. Maybe Bitcoin Gold. Oh, last thing. Yeah. What the heck is Bitcoin God? I'm going to make a video about that. And Bitcoin, was it Super or whatever? No, I'm serious. There's Bitcoin God hard fork. That's coming up on Christmas, December 22nd, the 25th. Bitcoin God, like it's an actual thing. Yeah, there's been 3 Bitcoin hard forks this year, this month. 3 Bitcoin hard forks this month, and a Bitcoin hard fork last month, and more hard forks. What is going on? Bitcoin God? Bitcoin God? What? What? Oh yeah, by the way, there's a lot of money in Bitcoin hard forks. Will Steemit survive? I don't know. Here's the reason I recommend Steemit. You have to examine it from my example. Why am I making money with Steemit? Sure, Steem price went up. Sure, Steem dollars went up. Even if Steem dollars fall from $14 on Bitrex to $1, and Steem falls from $3 to less than $1, I still will profit because I'm upvoting on my posts. Not only that, I'm posting a lot. Not only that, but I have whales commenting and upvoting my stuff. So if a whale, somebody who is worth $2 million, upvotes my post and it gives me $100, even if I make $500 every month or $1,000 or $2,000, that's cool. The markets turn around yet again. The prices go up to $5, $10. Suddenly that $100 turns into $500. So if you do what I do, cool. If you do it better, cool. More money for you. Hopefully you guys are inspired. And yeah, check out Bitcoin God. Check out, okay, last thing before I leave, Bitcoin hard forks December. I can't remember exactly what it's called. Bitcoin possible upcoming hard forks. Here's what it is. So, oh yeah, there was Super Bitcoin or whatever, Bitcoin Platinum, Bitcoin Uranium, Bitcoin Cash Plus. What? Bitcoin Cash Plus? What the? I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. There's Bitcoin God. I know. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Bitcoin Silver. There's Bitcoin Dark. There's too many of these Bitcoins. I'm just saying. So, anyways, thanks so much for watching. My name is Michael Cabrera. GDAX is crazy. Just be careful. And yeah, we shall see you guys later. Bye. I didn't hit the end button. No, now we're good. Bye.